All right, so special thanks to Racing Premium for sending these to us. They even sent us this nice little bag as well. This box is just red all the way around. Nothing telling you what's inside of it. You can tell you've got a little hole here to slide something out, and then Racing Premium on the front. So thanks again to Racing Premium. Let's open this one up. All right, let's see what we got. Very high quality box. This is not a cheap box. All right, we got our little tab. Pull it out. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, I think it's a watch. All right, so we've got a guide, but I can't read it. So it looks like it's for an Apple Watch. It sadly doesn't say. All right, so we've got a few things down in here. It came on a pillow. Look at that. And then this says original, genuine. Like, this thing has weight to it. Like, this is a real, this is a heck of a watch case. Got some little screws there and stuff. We got utensils of some sort. Must do something. Take this case apart to put it in there. This is definitely something else. And that's it for the box. Got this as well. This is to change the amount of loops, so you can make it shorter or longer. But this is amazing case. Like, it's full Cybertruck stainless steel over here. Racing Premium Ether ES0001. All right, well, this is the case. Very amazed at how, this thing is full stainless steel on your wrist. Like, it is, your watch will survive everything with this, I think. And it even looks like carbon fiber down in here. All right, well, that will do it for this Racing Premium watch unboxing. This is everything that comes inside of here. Thanks to Racing Premium for sending this to us. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.